Coming up next week on Bachelor Pad.
I'm really glad that I'm not in a couple. These couples, they're gonna get some hate.
I feel like they need some good queen competition.
Are you talking to me?
A relationship with Kipton,
Are you talking
all of a
to me?
sudden, it could be gone like that.
Ladies, I'm sorry. Everything is about to change. 3 of you will be